Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the usage of timers in pneumatics by using our very own very much free Festo fluid simulation software. Let us go to the topic now. Just open the software. The description, like the link of the software is in the description. You can go and open it. Okay, firstly, let us insert a text. Let us insert a text and take our heading timers in pneumatics. Okay, and then let us also take our circuit diagram A plus delay and A minus. Okay, for this we needed to have a cylinder which would be moving forward and backward. So let us take a double acting cylinder for forward and backward movements. And for this activation of cylinder, we needed a two output DCB wall. Here we have, mostly we would be using 5 by 2 because it is most reliable and it would be working very much perfectly. And then we needed an compressed air supply, which is nothing but an air compressor. And then we needed a 3 by 2 which can be taken as a push button, and also a roller limit switch. Here we would be modifying our 3 by 2 for our need by taking a push button and a spring return, and we just also take two other 3 by 2s which has a roller limit switch. Why? Because we are taking here roller limit switch because to activate it mechanically, whenever the cylinder gets rolls onto the this 3 by 2 switch, they get activated. So here I am connecting air pressure for all of my components so that it would be working with air pressure only. Let us check whether the airflow is perfect or not. Just click on the simulation start button and here we can see airflow is flowing. Now let us modify our 5 by 2 which we are going to connect to our double acting cylinder. Double click on the 5 by 2, then here we are using pneumatics, so we are taking both sides pilot activation only. Let us connect the DCV for our cylinder, and here we needed the main important component is timer. Okay, we can find the timer in proportional shut-off and flow control valves. This is a type of timer. Here let us take the delay around, let us take it around some 10 seconds. The delay be around 10 seconds. I had given the delay 10 seconds. Now let us, we will be labeling our component as A plus. If it is forward, it should be completely reach its maximum distance, and A minus as 0. The same way I would be labeling my components also, these roller limit switches also. And from A minus, we would be connecting to our push button. Okay, from push button to forward, like When we press the push button, air flows in this way, cylinder moves forward, this get activated. From here I will be giving to the delay timer, and from here we will be connecting to our A minus. Let us see the simulation in slow motion. Now when I start the simulation, let us check it firstly in a single step mechanism. When I press the push button, the air starts flow from the push button to the forward pilot of our DCB, which we had connected to the double acting cylinder. And when this pilot gets activated, the cylinder starts to move. The DCB gets activated, open up, and cylinder starts to move forward. And when it moves completely forward, due to the label which we had arranged for this cylinder and roller limits, which we had integrated this label, when cylinder moves forward, this roller limit switch gets activated, and in the next step it has given a signal to the timer, and now the timer is running. We had taken around 10 seconds delay. We can see the countdown like 6.4, 6.23. Now it is 5 seconds, 4, and then 3, 2, 1, and after 0 we can find airflow from this direction. Now we can see the component has opened up after the airflow, after the delay. Now air is flowing in this way. Now it is activating the backward pilot. As a result, cylinder moves backward. Now let us see in a single activation. Till now we have seen in step by step activation. Now let us see in single activation. When I press the push button, cylinder has moved forward. The delay is running. After delay, it returns back. 5 seconds more to the delay. I think you got an idea about how we would be connecting a delay circuit in pneumatics. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe the video. That's it for